Hello student. Today we are looking a metamorphosis process in a butterfly. Metamorphosis process in a butterfly. What is meant by metamorphosis? In some animals, young one means young animals grows into a adult. Means a young generation goes into a adult form, but they are looking different. So this change in their looking is called as a metamorphosis. So how this metamorphosis is done in a butterfly? In our environment we see a butterfly which is having a different color, different shape and present in our environment. Mostly we see on a flower, on a tree. So how these butterflies get generated, how the butterflies are born in nature. So there are 4 stages from that a butterfly get generated. What is that four stages? Look, butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among the plants. Most of the time we see the butterfly on the trees. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. In a stepwise manner, the butterflies are generated. There are total 4 stages. First is egg, second is larva, third is pupa, and fourth is adult. In these 4 stages, the butterfly is generated. And the last stage, adult means मोठं final stage, it is called it as a butterfly. This is the adult stage of the butterfly. So we see how the butterfly get generated. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Means a plain butterfly is very common. So how it generate? You see a rui plant leaf in a nature. Get this rui plant leaf. Yes, we can observe that leaf in our nature. On this plant or on this leaf, female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on this milkweed. Milkweed leaf means rui. This butterfly lays an egg on this leaf. After 6 to 8 days, some larva like this emerges out from that eggs. Eggs grow under the different environmental condition, under the moist, under the cool environment. The eggs get hatch. It get warm, and from that egg a small larva of butterfly is coming out. A small, just like a hen, from the egg a chicken hen is come out from that. Same, the eggs get warm, cool, and after in the total good environmental condition, eggs get hatch, and from that a larva of a butterfly emerges. It comes out. It is looking like that, and this larva is called as a caterpillar. From these eggs, small insect, we can see अळी, आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला अळी म्हणतो. पानांवरती जे अळी दिसतात तेच म्हणजे काय, इंग्लिशमध्ये त्याला बोलतो आपण लार्वा. लार्वा ऑफ बटरफ्लाय कम आउट, अँड दिस लार्वा इज कॉल्ड एज अ caterpillar of butterfly. This larva, when caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry because it is newly generated. So this small insect larva is very hungry, and he first try, and its first food is the empty eggshell which is present on the leaf. He first eat the empty shell on the leaf, present on leaf. After finishing the empty shells of the egg, he start eating the leaf of the rui. Leaf of rui. After eat, because it is a young one and young ones are very hungry, so caterpillar eats very fast. It eats very fast, and so if you eat very fast, its growth is also very rapid. In 6 to 8 days, it growth is get rapidly increasing. As he become adult, going to adult stage, it becomes growth is become very rapidly. The into first to 3 days, it is not fit in its skin anymore. Its length is start increasing, and its upper screen on the it is not get fitted. Then what he do? But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. As the growth of caterpillar goes increasing rapidly, like that, its old skin get finish and a new loose skin is get formed on the caterpillar, and the caterpillar sheds the old skin, means it's left, it's remove the its old shed, and it form its new skin, and this total process is called as a molds. Look at this new term, molt means to shed old skin to make a way for the new growth, means it remove its old shed and give a place for its new skin, new shed for its growth. After this, what happen? After the 6 to 8 days, its growth is rapidly present, and it is where it's rapidly present on a leaf. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molds a second time. Means he start molding itself. म्हणजे तो स्वतःभोवतीच गोल फिरायला लागला, स्वतःभोवतीचं एक वेगळं कव्हर तयार करायला लागला. It molds 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Means in this caterpillar stage, it is present 10 to 12 days. After that, it get converted into a bag-like structure. It starts molding around itself. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silk thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. And from the leaf, he start hanging. One silken thread present on the caterpillar, which hold the caterpillar with the leaf, which hangs itself from it. When it mold means स्वतःभोवतीच गुंडायला, it forms a pupe, which is the next stage of its growth. Pupe means a bag-like structure. It molds a bag-like structure, a cover. The caterpillar cover itself with us. So this pupe stage is a third stage of the butterfly. The pupe of a butterfly is called as a chrysalis. Pupe of a butterfly is also called as a chrysalis. Chrysalis means a bag-like structure in which a butterfly can grow easily. So it remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. The caterpillar is present inside this bag-like structure, that is chrysalis. In this bag, he starts its generation. He starts to grow. It get into a adult stage. It does not eat anything during this stage because it is packed into, caterpillar is packed into this bag, so it cannot eat anything. And at 11 and 12 days, it does not eat anything. However, inside the chrysalis, important change takes place in its body. When the caterpillar present in this bag, caterpillar starts growing and some important changes are takes place. What are these? The growth of the plain tiger get completed inside the chrysalis. Look at this picture. Starting wings, legs, it get into a adult form, means a butterfly starts to generate inside this chrysalis, inside this bag. When the growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside this chrysalis, then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. When its growth is completed inside this chrysalis, it starts to come out from that egg, from that bag. A butterfly emerges from its chrysalis. But how it comes slowly out of from it and get into a environment with such a form, different color. That is, butterfly has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs, and all butterflies go through this stage of growth. In such a way, the butterflies can grow into a nature. When he come out from a chrysalis, come into an environment, first he enable for their flying, get a sunlight from the sun, he try to fly. So at the initial stage, so it comes slowly out of from this chrysalis. So likewise, in a 4th stage, the butterflies grow. What is the first stage? First stage is egg, which are left on butterfly left on the rui leaf. Then after egg get warm, hatch, bigger, then some larva, like a small insect from that, get out, and this small larva of butterfly is called as a caterpillar. This is our 2nd stage. Then what is done? The caterpillar is very hungry and eat very fast. It try to eat first eggshell, which is empty, and start eat the rui leaf very fast. After that, as he grow, its old skin get removed and a new skin is generated. That process is called molt. After this, it get mold itself, means स्वतःभोवतीच एक cover तयार करायला लागते. This process is called as a pupe. The pupe of butterfly is called as a chrysalis. A bag-like structure which is formed by the caterpillar is called as a chrysalis. And in this chrysalis, a caterpillar grows, and in a slow way it comes out from when it get completed, its growth is completed, then it comes slowly out of this chrysalis. Likewise, these butterflies come out from the chrysalis, and we can see them into our nature in a different color. Look at this, there are different colors of this butterfly. So like this, we are completing our first lesson. Thank you.